Hello students, welcome back to this grammar lecture from your ACE grammar book. This is the second part of the recorded video of chapter number 19, preposition. In the first part, we have learned how many types of preposition are there and what a preposition. So let's revise in short. So a preposition is a word that is used to show the relationship between two things in a sentence. कि सेंटेंस के अंदर जो दो चीज़ होती है उसका रिलेशन दिखाने के लिए preposition words are used. तो 3 types of preposition we have learned: preposition of time, preposition of place and preposition of direction. If still any confusion is there, please see the first part of this video so that all the points is very clear to you. Now, dear and loving students, you are very well aware that whenever we are doing the textual exercise, all the textual exercise we are doing with the help of pencil. So, everyone take the pencil in your hand, take your ACE grammar book and please open chapter number 19, page number 77. We are going to do the textual exercise. Now here the first part it is given. Underline the preposition of time in these sentences. So जो preposition of time है that we have to underline. The first sentence is We have been sitting for an hour. 1 घंटे से हम यहाँ बैठे हैं. तो here for is the preposition of time. वो आपको underline करनी है. We have been sitting here for an hour. Hour underline. Our school gets over at 5 p.m. तो स्कूल कितने बजे ख़त्म होती है? 5 p.m. at. So at preposition that you have to underline. Our school gets over at 5 p.m. at. Preposition of time. I go for swimming classes on Sundays. So when swimming classes are there on Sundays. So on you have to underline. I go for swimming classes on Sundays. Sorry, Saturdays. I go for swimming classes on Saturdays. Fourth one. The program will go on till 9 p.m. कितने बजे तक चलने वाला है? 9 बजे तक. So till. The program will go on till 9 p.m. Till preposition of time you have to underline. My cousins will visit our house during Diwali. उसके दरमियान. So during preposition you have to underline. My cousins will visit our house during Diwali. Preposition of time during. They have been picking flowers since morning. So since is the preposition of time. वो आपको underline करना है. They have been picking flowers since morning. I will stay in Chennai from 26 June to 30 June. So here time limit is given from this date to this date. So two preposition of time is given from to. I will stay in Chennai from 26 June to 30 June. दो preposition आपको underline करनी है. From to. The doctor will see you on Thursday. So on is the preposition. The doctor will visit you on Thursday. She was born in 2003. In is the preposition. She was born in 2003. In is the preposition. He has been planting So let's do the sentence again. She was born in 2003. So in is the preposition over here. In. Last sentence. He has been painting since he was 10. So here जब से वो छोटा सा 10 साल का था तब से वो पेंटिंग कर रहा है. तो he has been painting since he was 10. Since is the preposition over here. So all this preposition nicely and properly you have to underline. We have done preposition of time. Now let's move to the second part of our textual exercise. पेंसिल से ही आपको करना है. Here also same is there. Underline the preposition of place in these sentences. तो वहाँ पे preposition of time था. Here preposition of place we have to underline. First one is there. The pigeon was sitting among the parrots. Among उन सबके बीच में बैठे हैं. So among. The parrot was sitting among the sparrows. The pigeon was sitting among the sparrows. Don't go near the lit burner. Near. Don't go near the lit burner. क्योंकि आग से हमें बचना चाहिए. So we should be away. Don't go near the lit burner. The cat sleeps under the chair. कहाँ पे सो रही है? Under. The cat sleeps under the chair. The teacher is standing in front of the class. कहाँ खड़ी है? क्लास के आगे. The teacher is standing in front of the class. So in front of is the preposition of place. The mouse is behind the sofa. कहाँ पे है mouse? Behind. The mouse is behind the sofa. Preposition of place behind. He is standing below the stairs. सीढ़ियों के नीचे खड़ा है. Below. He is standing below the stairs. The kite flew above our head. कहाँ उड़ रही है? Above our heads. सर के ऊपर से. So above is the preposition of place. So here we have completed page number 77. Now all the students please turn page number 78 for the further exercise. Now here the first sentence is Roop is standing next to Vicky. उसके बाजू में खड़ा है. Roop is standing next to Vicky. The bag is on the bed. On. The bag is on the bed. He stood far from the crowd. भीड़ से दूर खड़ा है. So far is the preposition of place. He stood far from the crowd. So next to, on, far are the preposition of place. Now students, I think so you have completed this exercise. So let's move to exercise number C, that is underline the preposition of direction in these sentences. जो direction show कर रहा है that preposition we will underline. She went up the stairs to the terrace. तो up ऊपर है, so up is the direction, preposition of direction. We walked along the footpath to avoid the traffic. Along. फुटपाथ पे ही हमें चलना चाहिए. कभी भी रोड के बीच में नहीं. On the footpath only we should always walk. So we walked along the footpath to avoid the traffic. He returned from Paris 2 weeks ago. From. He returned from Paris 2 weeks ago. The fox fell into the vat. So into is the preposition of direction. The fox fell into the vat. रॉय लिव्स डाउन द रोड. रोड खत्म होता है उसके नीचे his house is there. So Roy lives down the road. Down. Gurpreet poured some juice into the glass. ग्लास के अंदर डाला है so into. Gurpreet poured some juice into the glass. The boy paced up and down the room. Up and down. Two are there. The boy paced up, preposition of direction, down also. So two preposition we have to underline up and down the room. Run across to store and get some milk. Across. Run across to the store and get some milk. Across is preposition of direction. The rabbit popped out of the hat. उसमें से फटाक करके बाहर निकला. It is out. The rabbit popped out of the hat. Out. The boulder rolled down the hill. So down is showing the direction. The boulder rolled down the hill. Down is preposition of direction. So here we have completed our C exercise. साथ साथ आपको भी अपने टेक्स्ट बुक में करते जाना है, which is on page number 78. Let's move to exercise number D. That is, tick right the correct option to complete these sentences. So here two options are given. Which one is correct? That you have to circle. हम टिक नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि टिक क्लियर दिखाई नहीं देता है. आपको सर्कल ही करना है. प्रीति विल क्लीन हर टेबल डैश द इवनिंग. तो इन, ऑन के इन, तो इन इज प्रॉपर. प्रीति विल क्लीन हर टेबल इन द इवनिंग. सेकेंड वन, द बैग इज डैश द टेबल. ऑन अंडर, तो टेबल के नीचे होता है, तो हम लिखेंगे द बैग इज अंडर द टेबल. द बैग इज अंडर द टेबल बिकॉज इन द पिक्चर ऑल्सो इट इज शोन. तो हम ऑन नहीं लिख सकते. इफ पिक्चर वॉज नॉट गिवन तब हम उसे ऑन भी लिख सकते थे, बट हियर इट इज डिस्क्राइब्ड, सो द आंसर विल कम the bag is under the table. The mouse has been running dash for a while. Into के around, तो वो आजू बाजू दौड़ रहा है, so answer will come around. Once again, the mouse has been running around for a while. Next one. The bus leaves dash 4 p.m. On के at, very excellent, correct answer at. The bus leaves at 4 p.m. Fifth sentence. Simran was standing dash the lamp post. तो यहाँ पे एक ही चीज़ दी गई है तो हम between नहीं लिख सकते. So next to, उसके बाजू में. Simran was standing next to the lamp post. Next one. Soham is dash Simi's house. At, उसके घर पे है, so at. Soham is at Simi's house. Saurav's birthday is, date को हमेशा हम on लिखेंगे, so on the 30th of July. Saurav's birthday is on the 30th of July. So whenever date and month is mentioned, on preposition will come. Rohit has been learning Konkan for 3 years. 3 साल से सीख रहा है. For. Rohit has been learning Korean for 3 years. Korean is the language. Rohit has been learning Korean for 3 years. The concert lasted डैश 11 PM डैश दिस वन। तो इस टाइम से इस टाइम आएगा तो आएगा फ्रॉम टू। द कॉन्सर्ट लास्टेड फ्रॉम 11 PM to 1 AM. Last sentence. He jumped off the horse. उसने उस पे से छलांग लगाई. He jumped off the horse. Clear, students? So here we have done the textual exercise from your Ace Grammar, page number 78. Now let's move to page number 79. So here it is there. Complete these sentences with the correct preposition. तो अपने आप से according to the sentence आपको वो fill-ups करना है. Pratik lives in Ahmedabad with his family. So in is the preposition. As second number, as I was walking down the street, I saw a lady with a blue bag. So here it will come down. As I was walking down the street. So D-O-W-N, down preposition will come. My house has a beautiful garden. In it, I-N-in. I-N-in. My house has a beautiful garden. In, I-N-in it. Michael sailed down the river in a small boat. So two prepositions are there, down, D-O-W-N, I-N-in. D-O-W-N, I-N-in. Michael sailed down the river in a small boat. You shouldn't throw rubbish out of the window. Out, O-U-T. You shouldn't throw rubbish out of the window. Put the book on the top of the others. On, O-N, on. Put the books on the top of others. Jim won a prize at the school sports. At, A-T, at. Jim won a prize at the school sports. The train leaves at, time is there, so at will come. The train leaves at 4 PM in the afternoon. The train leaves at, A-T, at 4 PM in the afternoon. The man in the classroom is our English teacher. In, I-N, in. The man in the classroom is our English teacher. So in is the preposition over here. We are going to town this afternoon. TO2. We are going to town this afternoon. TO2. So these are the prepositions. Now the last part of our textual exercise that we have to do. क्या करना है उसमें? Write sentences using preposition. तो जो preposition word दिया है उसका यूज़ करके we have to make sentences of our own. तो ये नहीं है कि आपको यही sentence लिखना है. Any sentence you can make. On, he was sitting on a chair. Under, the book was under a pile of clothes. The book was under a pile of clothes. बहुत सारी क्लोथ्स के नीचे बुक दबी हुई थी. So the book was under a pile of clothes. Among, बहुत सारे लोगों के बीच में. So sentence will go like this. The girl was sitting among the flowers in the garden. The girl was sitting among the flowers in the garden. Sentence, it can differ. Behind. There is a tall tree behind our house. There is a tall tree behind our house. Once again, there is a tall tree behind our house. Next one is up. The boy climbed up the ladder. The boy climbed up the ladder. सीढ़ियों के ऊपर चढ़ गया, so climbed up. 4. I bought a dress for you. I bought a dress for you. Next one is there in. So there are some chocolates in the jar. There are some chocolates in the jar. Sentence differ करेंगे, no problem. But a meaningful sentence should be there too. We went to the market. We went to the market. Till, time is there. She was up till 12 o'clock at night. She was up till 12 o'clock till night. अगर हमारे घर पे पार्टी होती तो नेचुरली हमारे फ्रेंड्स 12 बजे तक रहते हैं. So this sentence is like that. Between. Ritu sits between Sid and Pooja in class. क्यों उन दोनों के बीच में ऋतु बैठती है. So Ritu sits between Sid and Pooja in class. So like this you can write any sentence of your own, no problem in that one, but the two words should come so that preposition we can use correctly. आप सेंटेंस अलग लिख सकते हो मगर दो नाउन्स आने चाहिए so that we can show the proper position of the things. So I think so this lesson you have done very nicely in your grammar book and write in proper and good handwriting. Always try to improve yourself and keep studying. Thank you, students.